Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Annique and welcome to our channel. If you have no idea where to start with your Etsy store, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to open up your very first Etsy store. Okay, so let's do this. First, you want to go to Google. You want to go Google Etsy.com, okay, and it's going to take you to this page here. You want to click and accept their privacy settings, so accept that. Okay, so there isn't a register button, okay, like normal places, but we do click on sign in. Here you type in your email address, so I have created an email account here so I can show you how to create an Etsy store. You paste it in there. Of course, you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple, whichever one you prefer. Or of course, just use your email address. Click on continue. Then you create your first name. Type in your name there. And a password that you will remember. Of course, remember to make a nice strong password. Save it somewhere, not on your desktop. I don't recommend saving it on your desktop. Write it down somewhere, keep it safe. And then, of course, you can sign up for their exclusive offers here if you want to. I'm not going to do that today. Let's click on register. Now, I'm going to click not for that. So welcome to your Etsy account. You are going to get an email to ask you to verify it. So we will just wait for that one. When you do get it, just click on verify and it should be there for you. You're going to get the updates there, which is perfect. But what we want to do is we want to sell on Etsy, right? That is why we're here. We're here to sell on Etsy and create our online Etsy business. Okay, so sell on Etsy, click on that button there. Reach millions of buyers in the UK and around the world. Of course, it's going to say where you're living. It's going to create an account for where you're at in the world. All right, so if you scroll down, start selling today. Exciting hands. We are excited. So open your Etsy store. Either scroll down and click there, or you can click there at the top. So open your Etsy store. Now we're going to be filling in our shop preferences. All right, so you're going to choose your language, which mine is English. The country is United Kingdom. Our currency is British pounds. Of course, don't follow my steps if you are not in the United Kingdom. Follow it where you are. Okay. Selling, then you choose which best describe you. So you would probably be other or part-time. Maybe your selling will be your full-time job. Maybe selling part-time. It depends on your personal circumstances. I'm going to click other there because most of you are going to click other. Okay. Save and continue. Let's choose a shop name. So I'm just going to go with the Awesome Etsy Training. Awesome Etsy Training name. Just because it sounds like fun. Oh, it can't include the word Etsy. There you go. So Awesome Etsy Training. Let's use the name Awesome Shop for You. There you go. Let's see. It's available. Congratulations. Now click on save and continue. The thing with Etsy is that you have to have one listing to continue in setting up your entire shop. Okay, your entire store. I'm going to show you how to create your first listing. It needs to be a relevant listing to what we are going to sell. So you can't just take any picture from Google. It could get your account banned. So we want to use a relevant listing that we're going to write. Don't worry too much about it. Other than the images that we're going to use, I need you to use what I'm going to show you, the sites that we're going to show you how to use it, how to download it, and how to upload it. Okay, other than that, we are going to be deleting it, so it's not going to be something that you are selling. Okay, so as you can see, I got my email there. Confirm your Etsy account, confirm. There you go, that is perfectly confirmed. All right, so first step we want to do is go to beautiful free images, so unsplash.com, and here we're going to find an image. This is the image we're going to want on our t-shirt that we're going to show. Let's just choose this one, shall we? Click on there, download this image. It has been downloaded. That's as quick as that is. So unsplash.com, and you will download your image to free download. Then we are going to go to placeit.net. You just type it in the search bar at the top there, placeit.net. Then we're going to go to mockups. Oops, mockups. Free mockups, like we are going to create a free listing. Then you choose an image template. So you go down there, click on image, because there's, you know, there's videos as well, but we want an image that we are going to be uploading. So choose an image that you like. I'm going to go with this one. You like this one. Insert the image that we just downloaded from here. So we're going to put this image onto her shirt. Insert image, upload from your device, and it's this one. Okay, we're going to crop it. And look, it is on her shirt. Isn't that fantastic? All right, now let's download this for free. The thing with Placeit is that you do need an account. Okay, so click on free download, sign up. So I'm going to use this email address again. Use this one. You want to click on your email address and then type in a password that you are going to remember, or something that you can save. Look, it's got a good password. I'm not a robot. Sign up. There you go. And processing your mockup. So it is now downloading it for me. It's making it available for me to upload onto our Etsy store. Click here to download. Look at that. So our image has been downloaded. Isn't that super quick, right? So set up your Etsy store. Now we're going to click on add a listing. Add a new listing. So this is what it's going to look like. Again, don't stress too much about what's going to be in our first listing, as long as we use the images that and how I showed you how to place it and unsplash.com. Okay, so add a photo is the one we just downloaded. We only need one photo to start with. It's 200 pixels wide. Just thumbnail. Let's do that. Save. Okay, so everywhere there's an asterisk like this, okay? Everywhere there's an asterisk, that's where you have to fill it in for our first listing, okay? So anything that doesn't have an asterisk means we don't have to fill it in for our first listing. We will be going in deeper into the training as you go through the videos, as you go through the training for our Etsy store. A video does not need to be added. We do need a title. As you can see, there's a title there. So it is a white snow covered mountain. White snow covered mountain t-shirt. Okay, just any title, it doesn't matter. Make it relevant to the shirt that you are selling, and then we will delete it after we have created our store. So who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Made to order. Okay. Category, again, it is an asterisk, so we need to be able to type it in there. So let's look for t-shirts. There you go. So it's clothing. Size, we don't need to put it in because it's not got an asterisk, so we don't worry about it. We don't worry about the color or any of those. Look at that, renewal option. So we'll just say manual for this one, but it should be automatic. Type, it's a physical product, it's not a digital product. We're going to just add a description in here, okay? So it is a, let's see if there's a description in here. No, there isn't. Okay, so we are happy to be selling this snow covered mountain t-shirt. Again, don't stress too much about what we're doing here. or creating the listing, or what is in the listing itself, because we will be deleting it, and our future listings will be more in depth, more exactly what we need it to be. Again, no asterisks, no asterisks, and no asterisks there. The price, let's make it for £19. It's going to be your currency where you're from. Quantity 1, there's no asterisks in the SKU. Variations, no asterisks. Delivery options, country of origin, United Kingdom. Processing time, let's say 1 to 3 business days. Scroll down. Postage, it's already got this. Free delivery, already inserted for me. There you go. Total price, save and continue. Look at that, stock your shop. So we've already got an image there. We don't need more than one. Save and continue. Now, this is where you're going to type in how you'll get paid, how you will get paid when somebody else buys from your store. Okay, individual, or depends on what your circumstances are. I'm going to go with individual sole proprietorship because this is what most of you will be, but some of us will have incorporated businesses, which you can then fill in there. But I'm going to go with sole proprietor. So we need to select the country. I am in the United Kingdom, so I will be choosing that. Add in my name, my last name, and my date of birth. Because again, it has asterisks, so we have to fill that in. So I'm giving you my birthday, and then I can get some gifts from you, I'm sure. And then your home address in there. City, optional. Phone number, okay. Where is your bank located? Mine is in the United Kingdom. Oh, we need a valid one there. Need a valid postcode there. Save and continue. Oh, we need a phone number. Okay. Where should you put your funds in? So this is where you're going to put your details in, and after you have put in your bank details, you can set up your billing. All right, so this is how we set up our store. After that's done, you are ready to continue on to the next video. Well done, and congratulations on creating your first Etsy store. Alright guys, that brings us to the end. I hope that if you are brand new to us, that this video was very informative for you and very helpful to open up your first Etsy store. Now, we are going to be uploading new videos every week for e-commerce, alright? So click the bell button, click the subscribe and give us a big thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video.